The key to having a great Valentine's Day is finding the perfect Valentine. Spruce yourself up to prepare for asking your date out. Choose the right time and build up confidence. Take a long shower and wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Apply deodorant and consistently brush your teeth to ensure fresh breath. Brush or comb your hair to remove knots and frizziness. Apply an enticing fragrance on pulse points. Dress with style and class, removing wrinkles and wearing flattering attire. Engage in interesting conversation based on your partner's interest. Be confident when asking your potential date out, standing straight and speaking clearly. Utilize the weekend before Valentine's Day to throw a singles party and meet potential matches. Create interesting scenarios, such as writing a message on your potential date's car or sending anonymous flowers. The goal is to create a cute and fun way to ask them out.